In less than 6 minutes, I'll show you how to fix packet loss in Valorant. This will be a step-by-step guide, so follow along. Just before we do begin, make sure to like the video if it helped, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, and if you do have any questions during the video, don't forget to comment down in the comment section down below, and I'll happily answer them for you. So without any further ado, let's get straight to the video. First things first, on the bottom left corner, click on your start menu, type in CMD, run as administrator, and then type in ipconfig space flush DNS. Just a quick note though, make sure it is the correct spelling. Press enter, and on the same page right over here, on the same window, type in netsh winsock reset, press enter, and as you can see, both are successful. Once done, close it out, restart your PC, and relaunch the game and see if the packet loss is gone. Now, if the problem still persists, make sure that you're currently using Ethernet and not Wi-Fi itself. Sometimes, most likely, Wi-Fi doesn't really get the highest rate for your Wi-Fi, so make sure to use Ethernet. The next option is basically typing in on your start menu once more. Just type in network reset. Go ahead and click on it. And on the same page right over here, click on reset. Now, just make sure that, just a quick heads up, it will once more restart your PC. I know it's a lot of hassle, but it will fix it for you, okay? Once done, close that out and relaunch the game. Another thing here is make sure to go ahead and right click on your router right over here, open network and settings, change adapter options, and on your Wi-Fi or Ethernet, go ahead and right click on it and try to disable it for a moment. Let's say give it about a minute or two. Once done, re-enable it. Make sure though, while you're doing this, your Valorant is currently closed successfully. It's done. As you can see, it's identifying. Close it out and relaunch your game. Now once more, the next option is basically going back to change adapter options. Right click on Ethernet properties right over here. Go to Internet Protocol version 4. Click properties. Use the following DNS server addresses and try to type in 8.8.8.8 and the alternate DNS for 8.8.4.4. Basically, this is the Google DNS, so it's the fastest. Once done though, make sure that you put it in. Go ahead and click OK. Close it out. Disable this once more. Enable it back again, and your game should be fixed. Now, if none of those works, we have one low solution. Go ahead and power cycle your modem or your router for about 30 seconds and then plug them back in. Make sure you plug them back, plug them out though, not just turn off. Plug them out for 30 seconds, plug them in. I don't know how that works, but it will fix or restart your connection for your Wi-Fi. Basically, that's it for this video, guys. Hope you guys find this video helpful. If it did, please leave a like on this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.